Hi, جماعة. I'm sorry I'm unable to make it today. I had to leave halfway through the day. فحرام بقى into period 4 I missed you guys. لكن I hope you had a wonderful weekend. طبعا يعني I'm sure انكم كلكم كنتوا مشغولين جدا 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 studying for your math exam. فيعني كنتوا اللي هو مش بتاخدوا ولا ربع ثانية break. بس يعني I just hope انه يعني you rested for كده sometime, you slept in a couple of days حاجات كده يعني. وبما اني عارفاكوا كويس جدا، محتاجة اقول شوية comments عشان بس اطلعها من جوايا. حسن، اقعد مكانك اسمعني. يا حسن. ندى، ندى، مش قلنا كفاية كلام مع حلا وكفاية كلام مع ليلي وتركزي معايا يا ندى؟ ندى انا اهو، ها ركزي معايا لو سمحتي. مين تاني مين تاني مين تاني؟ قضية التليفونات، قضية التليفونات. مهند، كرم، ياسين. مين تاني بيقعد على التليفون؟ علي خليل. جماعة التليفونات، ها نسيب التليفونات. مايا وبرهان شش stop talking. أنا بتكلم دلوقتي. في أي حد تاني؟ صبري ومبروك، لو انتوا جيتوا، يعني لو انتوا جيتوا please have a seat كده وارتاحوا enjoy your time relax in my class. You're only allowed to go outside for like 5 minutes and it's only one time. You got a one time pass today. ماشي. Again, when I'm not here, you guys gotta be on your best behavior. مش يعني لما when I'm here we can joke around, we can have fun. But when I'm not here, لأ. When I'm not here, بالعكس. This is the time where you are like the model student. Okay? Um, Today I'm gonna assign 4 people that are gonna be responsible for class. responsible يعني they will be held accountable. يعني لو أي حاجة باظت هما اللي انا هحاسبهم وهحاسبكم كمان عشان بس محدش يفلت. لكن يعني they are gonna be held accountable in my sight. Who are my 4 people? كرم، مايا، علي حمدي، and مين كان الرابع؟ ندى، ندى جبريل. All 4 of you guys are responsible for today's class. هنعمل ايه النهاردة during class? Today we're gonna practice 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 practice. We have a quiz on Wednesday. اللي داخل في الكويز كان الحاجات اللي up to last class. ف up to Thursday is what's gonna be on the quiz. Okay, اللي هو up to STP. STP was the last question that we did. فالنهاردة we're gonna practice all that stuff. احنا as we agreed in math, which stoichiometry is math, you gotta practice. It's the key to doing well. You gotta do as many practice questions as possible so that when you are in the exam, you're not like still trying to figure out what to do. Like you already kind of have an idea of the process that you should be following. You've done this a million times before, so this is just gonna be your million and one, right? فالنهارده is a very important day. You're gonna be split into groups of 3, and I want my 4 people and هما يسمعوا. You're gonna be split into groups of 3. They're gonna be randomized groups. يعني ايه randomized groups؟ يعني into amongst the 4 of you, choose a way of doing that. My suggestion would be write names on a piece of paper and like pick names. أو wheel of names حطوها على laptop and pick the groups. ده معناها إنه مثلا Maya, you are not gonna be with Perihan. I'm sorry. لأنه it's randomized. Unless like the random generator is just يعني so sweet. Huh? And Nada, you won't be with Lily and Hala and Nurhan. I'm sorry too. Ariyam, you won't be with Rowan. Okay? This is randomized. I want you guys to work together. I want you to work with different people. This is the best way to learn when we work with different people. أنا ممكن أكون I understand something very well that you don't understand. Or you understand something very well that I don't understand. So it's important that we work in random groups. Okay, for my 4 people, this is a note to you guys. Make sure the groups are random. You're gonna work through the questions. طيب. How do I make sure إن all of you participated مش مثلا you handed it over لحد واحد يحل. You're gonna write your name beside the question that you solved. طيب let's say مثلا أنا و أنا ومهند we solved the same question. If that's the case, write both of your names. Okay? Actually, the goal is all four of your names would be on the question. That's the goal في الآخر. لكن I don't know if you're gonna have enough time to do that and all four of you would solve all of the questions. Sorry, all three of you would solve all of the questions. لكن try your best. بس very important, I want to see your name beside the question that you did. أنا مثلا وطبعا the steps وكل حاجة. لأنه I want to make sure إنه كله tried. Everyone tried to solve. My four people. Ali, Maya, Karam, Nada. Your job will be to go around and make sure that people know what they're doing. If people have questions, go around and explain. I know you spent time practicing, but I know you remember the material. Go around and explain to people. I want to make sure everyone's coming out of this class knowing how to do stoichiometry. And الامتحان ده I don't want a single person to get a grade below 80. أنا مش عايزة أي حد يجيب below 80. ف you're gonna work really really hard. I want us all كده to celebrate that we achieved this goal. ف I don't want anyone to get below 80. ف I want everyone to understand the material. If you have questions, ask our four people. Ask them أعمل إيه؟ أحل إزاي؟ أنا مش فاهمة الحتة دي. طب إحنا ليه عملنا كذا؟ طب إحنا ليه عملنا كذا؟ And my four people, if you don't understand something, email me right away. I'll be on my email all the time. Okay? If you don't understand حاجة, just send an email. I'll respond to you. You can explain it. عادي خالص. طيب. Again, I want to stress. Work really, 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 really hard النهاردة لأنه tomorrow I'm gonna field in your questions. I'm gonna make sure that إن لو في أي unanswered questions I answer them وكده. And then I'm gonna start on new material. I'm not gonna be reviewing at all for the quiz. The quiz is up to the STP section. I won't review. I'll start new material. Today is your only chance to actually understand the material. Speaking of which, after school, you guys can come on Tuesday. الناس اللي كانت محتاجة after school today, you'll be allowed to come in on Tuesday. تمام? Do your best. Work hard. محدش ينام. Please work hard النهاردة. عشان if you have questions to let me know right away. I'll be recording another video for halfway through class عشان عارفة يعني أكيد هوحشكم يعني أكيد you're gonna want to see me midway through class, so I'm gonna record another video for halfway through class. Alright guys, take care, work hard. 4 people, you're responsible. Rest of the people, respect the 4 people that are responsible. Make sure إنكم عاملين لهم حساب لأنه they're gonna be the ones responsible قدامي. Okay, يلا bye. أو مش bye, see you soon.